Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully having a good day. So in front of you here we have the Traxxas Maxx. We put some sledgehammers on it. This is the V1 sledgehammers. We did a wide kit. Pop this off, show you guys what we got going on here. So like I said, the wide kit, the Traxxas sledgehammers, V1 setup. Okay, here's the Traxxas Maxx D2 wide Maxx. So sledgehammers, wide kit. Just gonna pop off the hood here. We'll show you what's going on. This body's been shoe glued, so it's a little bit thicker to get off. But as you can see, what we got going on there. Suspension, same. The bulkheads are up in the air right now. If they're the same or not, they look like to be the same. This looks like the distance between here, get some light in there, so it looks like the distance from there to there are the same. So yeah, so that green is a V1 arm, and you see it laying in there, it works. So Doc even said, they said that the V1 arms, the bulkheads were different, so they didn't change it on the top, which we matched that part. We matched this part here. I got an A arm, we can match it on the bottom too to see. I imagine the top's the same, bottom's gonna be the same. It looked like they would fit for sure, the V1s. Servo setup, looks like we're looking at the same setup. ESC, got the VLX4S. VLX4S, same ESC. Motor, running the same. Now do you notice the differences? See my motor here? Look here. Difference in between there, that gap right here versus this. So what makes that difference is basically center, drive shaft cover, and body, right?
And battery, battery holder, battery strap.
Okay, there you go. So yeah, that's added to it. Battery,
the cross brace.
Or is it? Pop mine off.
It has to be longer in some way.
It has to be where they make it. Where do they make it up at there? Make it up on this middle piece here.
Yeah, the middle piece. Definitely.
Yep. Okay, so they made it a little bit on this middle piece. So you're gonna need this piece, the chassis, the drive shaft, and the drive shaft cover underneath. That should be
an axle.
Huh?
And the center axle.
Yeah, the drive shaft.
Oh, okay.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So yeah. So okay, so 5 or 6 things.
Yeah.
They've changed up on it, because you see the difference in, if you look from this bolt hole to this seam, world of difference. Bolt hole to seam. Okay, good to know the differences, but the arms work. The arms definitely work. So there you have it. That's the differences between the Traxxas Maxx and V1, V2.
So you just got a center body, pretty much just replace this whole interior.
And that's it. I see the difference in the battery tray arm now that you say that. The lockdown. Of course, you could always use a strap for that, but I would stick with their
because this thing's a mile long.
And it looks like you can use the same arms, the same end arms. You're just looking at the longer piece, right?
I have no idea.
I imagine it would all come to, yeah. So yeah, all the same. So it would all come together. Cool beans. There you have it. 2 nerds geeking out over Maxx's. Take these out today and we're gonna bash them. And we're gonna see the differences that I'm running them. This one has 1 tooth less in pinion versus this one, the V1. So that's why the V1 is outrunning the V2. If you guys saw videos. So stay tuned to the channel. We'll get some footy of these guys. We're thinking about going to the skate park. So that's probably where we'll end up at if no one's over there. It's supposed to start, it's raining right now, so it's supposed to stop that, start snowing. So then we will get out there. But if you notice the body too, let's again put them back on. Like I said, it's a little tough. Or this one's been shoe good to clip it in the front. But if you notice right here is where they make the difference at. Bodies. Look right here, you see the difference. So like Doc was saying, if you want to use a V1 body, you just cut the ass end off and you'll just have that open back here and it'll make the difference. But there's the difference in them. This color is really beautiful. I like it. I like the color. But yeah, we're gonna take them out. So this is the Traxxas Maxx V2 wide kit versus the Traxxas Maxx V1 with the upgraded wide kit and the sledgehammer wheels. So there you are, very, very close. How do they drive? How do they handle? We'll show you guys that. Stay tuned to the channel.